The biggest talk in the world of boxing these days, believe it or not, has been a possible return to the ring of Iron Mike Tyson at age 53. And since the Tyson speculations began, other past greats, Evander the Real Deal Holyfield, Lennox Lewis, and James Lights Out Tony, all in their 50s, are now back in training. And obviously, the star power of the nowadays heavyweights is weak compared to those past legends. Otherwise, nobody would have taken these old men serious. Personally, me have my pay-per-view money put on already to watch Mike Tyson fight any one of his fellow veterans. I don't think it's smart or even safe for these 50-odd-year-olds to be fighting any of the young nowadays fighters. But if we're talking nostalgia versus nostalgia, veteran versus veteran, bring it on right now. I want to tell you, even the people who we see opposing and criticizing the Mike Tyson return, enough of them would have hide and watch the return. Yes. Me not lie, right now, if them have Deontay Wilder versus Tyson Fury, number 3, and the Tyson Holyfield return the same night, yes. My choice would be, yes. The Tyson Holyfield return, yes, the return.